Some people I know can just jump out of bed, ready to throw back life's curtain, crack open my eyes and think, nope, not quite yet. I reach for the snooze bar for time to reset. I try really hard but have mush in my brain and only know one thing for certain. I wake up quite foggy and all kinds of groggy and only have one thing to say. I'm not a mean person, but if you value your life, it's important you live by this phrase. No coffee, no coffee, no talkie, no talkie, no talkie,
No coffee, no talkie.
no coffee, no coffee, no coffee,
No coffee, no talkie.
no talkie.
Please, just one cup.
No talkie, no coffee, no coffee. I love you, but I just cannot quite deal yet. Please give me the nectar I do request. I so dearly need it right here and right now. I'll love you forever and ever, I vow. I'm not a mean person, but if you value your life, it's important you live by this phrase. I'm not a mean person, but if you value your life, it's important you live by this phrase. No coffee, no coffee, no talkie, no talkie, no talkie, no talkie, no coffee, no coffee, no coffee, no coffee, no talkie, no talkie, no talkie, no coffee, no coffee, no coffee, no coffee, no talkie, no talkie,
No coffee, no talkie.